Well, I stopped at a roadhouse down in Texas, a little place called Hamburger Dan. I heard that old jukebox playing a song called The Truck Driving Man. Well, pour me another cup of coffee, for it is the best in the land. I put a nickel in that jukebox and play the truck driving man. Well, the waitress, she brought me my coffee. I thanked her and called her back again. I said that old song sure does fit me, 'cause I'm a truck driving man. But pour me another cup of coffee, for it is the best in the land. I put a nickel in that jukebox and play the truck driving man. I climbed back aboard my old semi, and just like a flash I was gone. I got them over fields of road, I'm on my way to San Antonio. But pour me another cup of coffee, for it is the best in the land. I put a nickel in that jukebox and play the truck driving man, 'cause I'm a truck driving man.